Welcome to Williams, Arizona. I'm gonna come back here on Skid Row, on the back row. They've got beggars begging on the off the exit ramp. That's what I want, that straight line back right there, because we're gonna leave out around 11 midnight, whatever, something like that. We can leave at 8 o'clock tonight, but because it's 9:45 right now. I forgot Arizona's on California time right now. Which do I want? Now my butt's gonna be in the air right here. There'll be less traffic back here. We'll come over here. But I really don't want to have to go by those beggars, but I can't make it to Kingman. I've already checked that. There's one little mom and pop along the way, but when you're out here in the middle of nowhere, I like to park where there's a shop at, so because a road call is going to be very expensive if you need one. But that's my tip about parking in the middle of nowhere. You need to make sure they've got a shop at it. Y'all, that kind of sucks. I'm that far from my 90. I need to put a different destination in there, I guess. That I don't like that number. The mountains sure do look pretty. I can't see it from here, but Flagstaff still has snow on it. Hello from Flagstaff, Arizona. Roxy and I are gonna go take our hike. We were going way over there to that side of the interstate. That over there, if you can zoom in on that mountain, that is a mountain coaster, and it says it's only 1.5 miles, so I'm gonna try and go get up on the sidewalk. Come on, Silly, get up here. Well, yeah. She's excited. She knows. Yeah. The high today up here is 74 degrees, but there's a good breeze blowing. It was 10 miles an hour earlier when I looked, but it's kind of chilly without a jacket on, so I got my jacket on. I got a bottle of water in each pocket for her. I tried to get her to drink before we left. Up here, and they got 2 carts they're pushing. I seen them when I come off the interstate. That right there would be enough to make my ass go get a job. I guess these people had never seen a homeless person. Probably gonna go give them money to ease their moral conscience. Oh, Roxy sees a doggy. Yeah. That's a hard life to live. Oh. Whoa! Whoa! Hey! 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 Oh shit! Wait, you're not her hook. Okay, get your leg out. Get your leg out. Before I kick the fuck out of it. There we go. Oh, sorry, dog. Come here. Get in. Woo! Sorry. Stop, Roxy. It's okay. Sorry, Roxy. Stop! Well, he just showed us he would.
He just does that. He doesn't bite. He just gets nasty. Sorry about that, ma'am. Dino, he just got this thing this morning. And we was hoping it pulled him down.
Yeah.
Dino. Sorry about that. We had pulled him into the ground.
Well, I didn't see that happening. We're gonna keep on trucking. Come on, run, 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 run. Yes, right there is the famous archway sign. It looked better from the interstate. I guess I was hoping there would be some bells and whistles or something over here with it. There isn't. Well, we are just about in the city limits, I guess. There's the famous Williams Archway. Ramada Rodeo. Got a Pizza Hut. Oh, what do you see? Whatever you see, we're not going over there. Got us some motorcycle riders out. Nope. Hey, hey, stop. Get over here. Come on. Get over here. Nope. Italian bistro. A shooting gallery in the bistro. Hell, get crazy out here out west. UTV tours. Yeah, I think she's smelling barbecue. I smell it too. Oh, they're gonna make me break my fast now. Come on, let's go. Run, hurry, hurry, run, 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 run. Good girl. Go run, keep running. Yeah, good doggy. Come on. Oh, come on, you can't go in. Well, the town looks cool. Come on, get up here. She smells. Hey, come on, silly girl. Come on. Come on. I guess if they find me, they just find me because we are coming up through here. We're going to try and do it fast, though. Oh, y'all. Elvis is in Flagstaff. Look at him. There he is. You can look all you want, the pictures you want, but do not touch and do not think about sitting on the hood. Well, oh, somebody's bringing guitars in a tip bucket. Come on. Hey, are you local? Is there any ordinance against me walking her up through town? Is there an ordinance against me walking her through town? No? Okay. And what is this place?
On the leash.
I'll put you in my YouTube video. The Canyon Club. What time do you open?
10.
10? What time do you close?
About 2.
Oh, you're supposed to say when they shut it down. Have a great day. Google. Zooming in, I really don't see much up there. There may be, but I'm not willing to invest walking up there. I guess we'll just flip around. At Nanny's Tacos, playing authentic Mexican music. Oh, you know that place is good. They serving it right out of the kitchen. Hell yeah. Roxy says, hang on, I think somebody dropped a taco. Come on. Come on. She is having a good time sniffing. Come on. She's like, hell, I want to go inside. Yeah. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. No, come on. Come on. That's a bad doggy over there. Gosh. Thank you, sir. Let's go this way. Come on. Looks like a lot of souvenir shops up through here. Pizza factory.
That one's the turquoise, so yeah, that one's a pretty cool.
You see her? Huh? Come on. Oh, this place over here looks like fun. There's an outdoor eatery. Come on, pretty girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Come on. Come on. Don't look like much over there. That place over there looks like fun. But since that dog is down there, We're gonna go this way around the block. We're gonna miss a little bit, but good enough. Hello from Lake Havasu City, Arizona. We just stopped here to take Roxy for a walk. And I got a cup of decaf coffee with a shot of regular coffee. But we only got a couple miles and we'll be in California. She got to play with the dog for another dog for a minute. But that fella, he was telling us California's got they're stacked up everywhere pulling people over. We're going to put our cruise on 58 and slow roll. That's one reason I hate to come out here. That 55 speed limit gets me. Well, we are done here in Barstow, California. I went ahead and took my 30-minute break. I forgot I had to do that. I only had 2 hours left before I had to do it. There's one more Love's up there. I know I could have made it too, but they've got an excessive heat warning. It goes all the way up through California. I made it to the Love's. I'm gonna come back here to the back row. There's parking behind the fuel island up close, but really no grass. Well, there's not much grass over there either, huh? Well, shoot. I guess we'll just come over here. There's the barn park right there. That'll be good enough. Maybe we can find somebody Roxy to play with. What? What? Yeah, you want to go for a walk? Huh? Hey, you. You want to go for a walk? Y'all see the way she sits? She cracks me up. Hey, you want to go for a walk? Huh? Tell me. Yeah. That's right. You want to go for a walk? Hey, you want to go play with the doggy? Huh? You want to go play with the doggy? Hey, tell me you want to go play with the doggy. Where's that doggy? Huh? Where'd that doggy go? Where's that doggy? You see him? You see the doggy? Where is he, Roxy? Where's that doggy? Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's go find that doggy. I'm in California with a clock looking like that. Pitiful, pitiful. It's hard for a solo driver to get out of this state in one day. Lord have mercy. Well, we have covered the whole town, and the only thing positive is that there's a lot of truck parking here. Otherwise, I got no reason to stop here anymore. I don't think I've ever seen there's spots over there available. During the evening like this, I think it's about 7 or 8. I hadn't seen a truck stop this empty in California. I don't know where they're at, but I sure hope they stay there. Yuck, yuck, keep moving. She's wanting to come back here and catch them little prairie dogs. You're not gonna get one. Nope. No, ma'am. Nope. Boy, it's real nice back here, ain't it? Take that fence down and just let them flowers grow. I had to. Get back here. I don't like the looks of that. I'm gonna turn in up here. Macro said to come in on Bass Pro Drive. I'm gonna go to this one right here. I got more wiggle room for this big old trailer without running anything over. Thank goodness there's no cars here right now. Yeah, I missed it barely, but a miss is a miss. And I imagine I'm just going to pull up here and go find out where they want me. Well, I'm waiting on Swift to pull out over there, and I've got to back up against this curb over here. I don't know what the best way to go out is, but I don't think he's taking it. Guess it works right now, but this curb directly in front of me, that's where I have to, I gotta try and go. I guess I'm gonna have to turn around to go out. Make me a circle. Take the easy route. They look good. Look good. Didn't even move an inch. That guy told me that was the best back he's seen in a long time here. And I'm like, well, I blew it. All this done. It is a beautiful day in here in California, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go pick lumber up. I hope it's a no tarp because I've got 19-mile-an-hour winds. Woo! You'll see I had to do this one different because you can see I put this back strap up here because if I put it here, well, it just it couldn't hook on that back part, and it just made more sense to put it up here. Whoops, it's like playing Twister. But if I'd have came around like that, that would have definitely cut that strap. I could have put a piece of carpet, but it would have cut that too. Oh, maybe a short run, but not a long one. It's okay, there's not a whole lot there.
I like the south. I want to see what the south looks like.
We got a lot of pine trees.
You guys got gators?
Yeah, lots of them.
Lots of gators?
Yeah, lots of gators. They do like a raffle where you can get tags every year to kill so many of them now. Yeah, some of the truck stops like down in Florida have gators in the ponds by them and everything, and they got signs up, you know, watch your dogs and everything.
That's what I always
Yeah.
do. I wouldn't let my dog out of sight.
I know.
I get bad when I see those people when they take their dogs to the gator water.
Yeah.
I'm like, why would you do that? Poor little dog. I like the way the south looks.
Yeah.
Swamp style. I like that.
Yeah. Then Louisiana's your spot if you like swamp style. I know the cost of living's a lot cheaper. Yeah. Mississippi looks the same as North Carolina, just flat, you know.
Okay.
We got a few hills, not many, all the pine trees and that. Of course, we got the beach down there, but it's man-made beach, so the water's kind of, you got to go out to the islands to get good, clear water. Sometimes, that's like anywhere, you know. Get the rest of my stuff put up. Miss Roxy's wanting out. She smells them ducks in the air. Woo. Put all this stuff at. Do you have family in North Carolina, or do you just
Yeah, a little bit of family.
Okay. Really? Well,
There was a nice breeze over there.
you got lucky.
It's usually not this cool here.
Right.
It was hot all week.
I seen well, I was in Santa Anehiem, but I looked it up and it showed up through California. It's still the heat advisory, and there it's going to hit triple digits this week.
Yeah, it gets really hot, especially in Anehiem.
Yeah.
Then out of nowhere, it'll get cold like this.
Yeah. It's nice out today. The winds over at Tracy are 19 miles an hour. It's crazy how being so close that they're a lot calmer here.
There was a big fire in Tracy Saturday.
Really?
Yeah, last Saturday.
That time of year. Well, I guess it's a year-round thing now.
There's a lot of fires in California.
Yeah. Guess that's good enough. Get to work. I got Miss Roxy out, letting her sniff around. She jumped out of that truck and there was a squished pine cone. I guess she thought it was a hamburger patty or something, but she went to gobble that thing up and she spit it out. I didn't get that on camera. They got a bunch of those Canadian geese over there. We get that paperwork, we're going to go up to the Loves in Lathorpe, California, wait on our next load. Maybe we'll already have one. Our paperwork, we are picking up in Atwater, California, NCI Building Systems. Oh, okay, I like that place. And we're delivering to Salt Lake City. Good, good, good. Yay! All right, I don't even care what it pays. I was hoping I got that load. Yeah, oh, I got to tarp it, but that's all right. Jeez. Alrighty, well, we got another one in the book, so we're gonna head on out.